Comparison of Galaxy A14, Realme 10 and Redmi Note 12. Now we will talk about display. Display type. Display size. Refresh rate. Resolution. Screen to body ratio. Display PPI density. Screen protection. Now we will talk about build quality. Height. Width. Thickness. Weight. Water resistant. Camera specifications. Rear camera Galaxy A14. Rear camera Realme 10. Rear camera Redmi Note 12. Front camera. Performance. Chipset. Processor. Graphic unit. Operating system. Storage. RAM memory. Internal memory. Battery. Capacity. Fast charging. Sensors. Connectivity. Network. NFC. Port type. Headphone jack. Price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.